When the user opens the mobile application for the very first time, they must click on this gear icon and connect to GreenerHouse. This will connect the mobile application with the device. As you can see, the mobile application and the device both display the same settings. Users can see in more detail and switch settings of the greenhouse by going to different screens in the application. For example, if the user wanted to check on how much sunlight their plants are receiving, they would click on the sunlight button, which would take them to the sunlight screen. Here they can see the current UV exposure of their plants. The application displays the current UV exposure in real time. Users can change the amount of light their plants are receiving by clicking this button to allow them to change the light exposure and sliding this bar to actually change that light exposure. Users can change the temperature of the greenhouse by going to the temperature screen. They can allow the greenhouse to auto-adjust the temperature, and they can set their desired temperature. Users can also change the ventilation and humidity of the greenhouse through the mobile application. They have the option of opening and closing vents and setting fan speed. They can also allow the greenhouse to auto-adjust the humidity and set their desired humidity for the greenhouse. Users can change irrigation settings of the greenhouse on the irrigation screen. They can choose which part of the greenhouse to water and can turn on the irrigation as well as set a schedule for the irrigation. They can adjust the time they want the irrigation to start, and they can adjust the time they want the irrigation to stop. The current data of the greenhouse is displayed in the device and the home screen of the application. As you can see, we just turned on the upper left quadrant for irrigation, and that's displayed in the device and on the home screen of the application. The application and device also keep track of the current sunlight, airflow, humidity, and temperature.